Hey guys, Nate Rose here. Okay, so today what I'm going to share with you is how to promote your brand, but specifically print on demand. Okay, but before I go into that, let me tell you who this is for. This is for personal trainers and online fitness and health instructors and coaches. Okay, so that's who I'm going to be talking to in this video. Now, before we go into exactly how to promote your brand, do two things for me. First, I want you to follow me on my Instagram page at Nathan underscore A underscore Rose. It's going to be on the screen and also be in the comments below. And number two, make sure you smash that subscribe button and turn on the notifications so that you get notified every time I drop a new video on my YouTube channel. I'm going to be doing several videos every week to help you guys grow your business and make more money online so yet you're still making money while you're not trading time for money, okay, as a personal trainer. So I'm going to hit pause real quick. I'm going to share my video and my screen with you and show you exactly what I do and how simple and easy it is, and also what to look out for when you're doing it. Okay, so let's go right into it. Hang on a second. Okay, so here's what we're going to go to. We're going to go to printify.com. Okay, and I'm going to show you step by step. First thing you want to do is set up an account. So we're going to click start for free. I'm going to sign him a new account. Now, I already have one, and I'm going to show you how easy and simple it was for me to create products with my brand that are automatically posted and put on my store that I'm going to talk to you about in another video later on. But first, let's just show you how to create an account and then get started. Okay, so and we click start for free. Now we're going to go to, I don't know if I'm signed in or not. I think it might still be. I may have to sign out. I think it might have put me into my current account here. Hang on a second. Yeah, it did. Hang on. Okay, let me sign out. Okay, I'm going to click sign up. For some reason, automatically put me in there. And I'm going to go back to that page to show you guys what I created and how simple and easy it is. It's pretty phenomenal. So bear with me real quick here. I don't know why it keeps going to this. Okay. So we're going to go. So I'm going to create a brand new account. Okay. So I'm signing up for a new account. I'm going to show you how simple and easy it is to promote your brand. Okay. So I'm new to selling online and want to start. We're going to start there to make it simple for us. Okay. So I'm going to click that and click next. And I'm just going to put individual. Okay. Whether you're a business or an agency or anything, just, pick whatever you want. But this is just stuff you can just put I'm exploring. Okay. Designing products, just starting out. That's pretty much the simplest. And this is brand new. Okay. We want to sell globally. We'll just keep United States now for now. If you want to sell globally, we can change that, but let's just keep it United States for now. Okay. Keep it simple and easy. How did you hear about us? I'll have an account link in here so that you guys don't have to try to search or find it. So you're going to click that, but friend or family. But there'll be a link in the bottom of this video. You click on that link and it'll take you right to this website. Okay. So now here we go. Okay. So first thing we're going to do, we create our first product. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to go over here to catalog. And obviously they have some stuff. So let's just say, when I first started out in training, I always wanted to say, have my own t-shirt, right? So we're going to pick a t-shirt and they pull up the best selling one. So we're going to create a t-shirt in seconds with my logo. I'm going to show you how to upload the logo, but also what to look out for when you do that. So let's go right here to catalog. We're going to pick a t-shirt. Okay, just plain old t-shirt. And then we're going to also find a unisex one. Okay, so it's going to be for both male and female. And it will pull up the best-selling ones here in just a second. So it says men, unisex tri-blend. So that's what we're going to pick right here. Okay, unisex tri-blend. We're going to click view all, and it's going to pull up all the ones. They do have some best sellers. So I may go back to that page and show you guys the best sellers because you obviously want it to sell, right? So these guys know which ones sell the best. based on the feel, based on how it looks, how the logo prints, all of that kind of stuff. Okay. I'm going to show you just how simple it is. All right. It's taking a little while to upload here, but just bear with me. Okay. We're going to keep it United States. Okay. It says express delivery, bestseller. Here we go. Unisex by Gildan. Gildan's a really good brand, very soft. So we're actually going to pick this one here because I know that in Next Level is really good too. It doesn't say bestseller on it, so we're going to go back to this one, Unisex by Gildan. If you haven't gotten shirts before, start noticing the brand of the shirt when you're buying shirts, and you're going to see a huge difference when it comes to how the shirts are made. Okay, but Gildan's really good, and we want a tri-blend. Okay, so this one should be a tri-blend. Yeah, rung spot and yeah, so this is good. Perfect. All right. So now we're going to start designing. So you're going to click right here, start designing. And I'm going to show you guys how this works. It's so easy and simple. Okay. Couple of clicks and you're going to have your shirt that you can then immediately start selling to your clients, to your past clients, your friends, your family. All right. I'm going to show you just how simple it is. Okay. Neck inner lab, we don't really need that. Okay. Hide these tips. We don't need that. So here's the front side. Okay. You can also select variants. Now, selecting variants is going to have different kinds of shirts. So there's white. I don't recommend you adding too many different colors, but let's just go white. We'll go gray. We'll go black and a red just to keep it simple. Okay. Those are the different colors. Now, of course, you can grab more, but again, there's already 24 different ones because of the sizes. So we're going to go all the way up to 3X. If you want to keep that 3X, you can just keep all those selected. Okay. All right, we're going to go back to the white because it's going to be easier. I want to see what it looks like on the white shirt first, okay? And now we're going to start the logo. So you're going to go over here to upload because I don't have anything in the account yet. So upload from my device, and then we're going to go and search and find the logo. So if you already have a logo designed, you're going to click my device, and it's going to pull up in here, and you're going to pull and select your logo so that I can drop it right in here. You'll be able to adjust the size and see what it looks like. And I'll tell you a little mistake that I made going through this. So I'm going to show you what happened with me, okay? Just so you guys know. So where are my logo? I know there's one in here, but that's not the one I wanted to start with. All right, hang on a second. Okay, so I found my logo. I'm going to click it. I'm going to pull that over, and I'm going to show you guys what mistake I ended up making. Okay, but this is the wrong one. This one's going to be for the backside. So we'll adjust this for a second. So I'm going to put this on the back. So I'm going to click this and delete it. And now I'm going to upload the one I want on the front. So we're going to do the front a little bit different in the back. And you don't have to do both. I'm doing both. Okay, now there's two different types of logos. And I'm going to share this with you once I go to a different screen or a different color and show you like the mistake that I made originally. And I wanted to change that and adjust it. So that's what I want on the front. Now I'm going to put it in the back. See how simple it is? I can find my logo, pull it. Now, since I already uploaded, I'm going to go to my library here and it's already there. So I just click that. Now it's there. Boom. I'm going to bring this up right between the shoulder blades, right about there. And then I'm going to look at it. Okay. I'm going to preview it. So there's the preview right here. So I'm going to click preview up in the upper right-hand corner. That's what it looks like. Okay. You can look and see what it looks like on a person. Okay. I can expand it a little bit bigger if I want to. Here's the front on a person, and that looks really good. I like that. Okay. So we're going to click save product, but let me move this over here. Let me close this real quick. Okay, we're going to click save, but then there's some stuff you want to adjust on the description. I'm going to go over that here right now. So I've already created my shirt. I have the front part of the logo. I have the back logo, and now I can actually start doing some stuff. So we're going to click here to publish. So that's actually there and I can actually start selling it. But I'm going to go back here in a second. So hang on real quick. We don't need this. We're going to just close this out. You're going to see here one of my products. If I go to my products, it's going to be in my product. So I created my first product. You're going to select the SD, the Shopify. I'm going to show you how to do that later. Order and track sampler. So I'm going to go back to my products. Okay. And you're going to see it right here. Here's the shirt. I'm going to click on this and we're going to make some adjustments. Okay. To the description, I recommend that you put the sizing in the description and you change, rather than just having a shirt, change it to a pose with a person. I just think it looks a little bit better. That's just my personal preference. But here's what I wanted to show you. Okay, the black. Okay, the black on a person. You want to make sure that the logo that you upload is a PNG logo, which means it has a transparent background. When I originally did this, I did it with a different logo, and I'm going to show you that next. And it has a big, huge white background, and that's not what you want because it looks horrible on this black shirt. This looks really good and clean on the black shirt because it's a PNG, so it has a transparent logo rather than a big white rectangle behind it. That's what it looked like before. So you want to make sure that if you don't have a transparent background on your logo, to make sure it's a PNG file and it has a transparent background so that on a black shirt, it doesn't look bad. It would look the same way on the red. It'd have this big, huge white rectangle on the back. Okay. And it just looks absolutely horrible. And so I would not want to sell it like that. So you want to make sure that it's a PNG file with a transparent background. Okay. So now I'm going to go back to the catalog and I'm going to show you what the mess up that I made and show you, make sure that you don't do it like this. Okay. So we're just going to go back to, we're going to go tank top. I'm going to make a tank top and I'm going to make this one with a different logo, the one that we don't want. Okay. So you can kind of see now this one's Bella and Canvas. That's a really good brand also. So we're going to use this one here. 100% heirloom going cotton. Okay. I'm just going to click start designing. I'm going to scrap this one because I'm going to show you what logo you don't want to use. Okay. But that's how simple it is. You can create anything, water bottles, towels, use your imagination, mugs, coffee mugs, sports bottles, tumblers, hats, workout towels, you name it. You put your logo on it and you can sell it. And this is how you're going to brown your, how to build and promote your brand. Okay. So we're going to go back here to upload because I want to upload a different logo. Okay. Not the one that I want to use. To show you. So it says you can upload JPEG. So now I'm going to do a different one here. So let me show you the difference on this, okay? And I'm going to change the variance. I'm going to change it to, I'm going to click black. Oh, let's go try blend charcoal. See now it has this white background. So this is a JPEG file. And now this has this huge white square. And look on the red, has this nasty white square. Like that looks horrible. So you want to make sure that you don't do this. All right. You don't want your logo to look like that. And it looks great on a white shirt, right? It looks great on the white. If I uncheck and then check it, it'll go back to white because you can't see it, but it only looks good on a white because it has this huge white background. So you don't want to use this kind of JPEG, or you want a PNG file that is transparent. Okay. So now let me show you how to create something else in here, but we'll do this in another video. So the video doesn't take too long, but that's how simple and easy it is. So I just go back now to my catalog. We're going to, yes, close it. And I can start selling my product. And it took me, less than 5 minutes to drag my logo over. And now I have a shirt that I can actually sell right now and make a profit on. But here's what I wanted to show you is the description. Okay. So I want to change some stuff in the description. When you do this, that actually includes so first of all, I want to change. So I have a pose. I have the front pose, but then there's also the back. So I want to make sure that you don't need all of these, but you definitely want most of them. Okay. But this is the one I want on the design when I first pull it up, and the white. So in the description here, what I do is I go down here, the very bottom, and then I click add table description. So it adds the measurements of the sizes. Okay. And now pricing, you adjust your price. Now this one usually adjusts because of the material on here, based on how much it's going to cost. So this is what it would cost. Here's their profit. Okay. Because it's set at a 40% profit margin. This is the production cost, the shipping cost, right? Your total profit, but this is what they're charging. And you can edit the price. So if you want to click all of these and just have the same price for each one, you click edit price. Let's just say we're going to charge $24.99 per site. Doesn't matter. And then click apply. And then that's going to change the price. That every single shirt now is going to be $24.99. Drop the profit down a little bit. Okay. And obviously in a 3XL, your profit's a lot less. Okay. But a $37 profit. Okay. And here's how this works. So what you're going to do, oh man, went back. Darn it. I didn't save that. So let me click that again, and I'm going to go back and save it. You can see how simple and easy it is to make adjustments, and you adjust based on what you want. So after I do this, then I got to go back to the bottom and click publish so that it saves all those changes. I'm going to add this. I'm going to select all my variants. I'm going to edit my price to $24.99, and you can set your price whatever you want. Okay. Don't have to go off of this. I'm just showing you how simple it is to make adjustments to this. All right. And I'm going to click save as draft. And now these changes, the product is going to show up. See, now the product, instead of just the shirt there, it has the person there, and it shows all of them are in stock. It's unpublished, and we just go to the publish, and that's how simple it is. Now we're going to be doing this with a lot of other products that I'm going to show you in other videos. But remember, follow me on Instagram, Nathan_A_Rose, and click the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you get notified every time I upload a new video. I'm going to be doing one on every single one of these products, and then I'm going to show you how to attach it to your personalized store. It's going to blow my mind. I wish I had something like this when I first started in the industry 23 years ago. That's why I'm doing it now, to show you guys just how simple it is. Because even though I've been in the industry, I've never had anybody teach me or show me this. How amazing and simple it is to have my own t-shirt now with my own logo. And it took me less than 5 minutes to create it. And all I have to do now is just put it out there. And you don't have to buy anything up front. You pay after they pay. So they will buy it online. You will get notified. Then you go in here and you pay Printify, and they will print it and then ship it directly to your customer. It's brilliant. I hope you guys like the video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.